Hey, what is up, you guys? It's your voice Vader here. We're back at it again with another video. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to whatever time you're watching this. So, this one's a bit different. Eh, let's. This one is taking a break. This video is taking a break from my musical reactions, and let's go to a bit of a science in this one. Well, theoretical science, I guess. This is what if we could open a portal to a parallel universe. Yeah, this the subject topic of the universe and parallel universes and multiverses and other shenanigans, extraterrestrials and all that shebang has always piqued my interest ever since I was but a little kid or a child or whatever. But yeah, let's check this one out. This should be fun and interesting if you are a fan of this subject topic or subject matter. But yeah, if you haven't already, please do subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs by the end of this year, so please help. And yeah, without further ado, this is what if we could open a portal to a parallel universe in a world. I'm just kidding. Let's go.
What if there are other
Fucking hell, that's loud. That's obnoxiously loud. What the fuck? Alright, let's turn it down a bit.
What if there are other universes just like ours, with an infinite number of Earths, with uncountable
Fucking Matrix.
versions of you? And what if we don't have to look too far to find them? Maybe a mirror version of our reality is right here. This is What If. And here's what would happen if we could open a portal to a parallel universe.
Not to be confused for Marvel's What If.
Our universe began when a small but very hot singularity exploded in the Big Bang 13.7 billion years ago.
Okay.
But
that's still a theory though. It's the Big Bang Theory. It's still unknown how the universe actually began, but this is one of... this theory is the most widely accepted one for the beginning of the universe, I guess, if I'm not wrong.
But maybe it wasn't the only one to be born then.
Oh.
In physics, space and time fuse into one four-dimensional continuum, space-time.
Space-time continuum.
If this space-time is flat and stretches far beyond the limits of our observation, there is a possibility that it holds uncountable disconnected universes. But for all we know, there are
NASA's Goddard's Space Flight Center, so credits to you guys.
limited number of ways the particles in those other universes can be put together. At some point, the realities will have to start repeating themselves. That means, in theory, our reality is only a small part of what's out there. And someone just like you might be living in a parallel universe similar to our own.
Oh.
And that universe may be as close as a million trillion trillionth of a centimeter away.
A million trillion trillionth? I remember something called like the smallest distance possible, I guess. Planck length. Yeah, Planck length. Planck length. P-L-A-N-K length. Yeah, if not mistaken, that's like the shortest distance known, I guess.
Maybe as close as a million trillion trillionth of a centimeter away.
Black length, I guess. I don't know.
Although the wall between the universes might be incredibly small, traveling between them won't be easy, but it could be done. All you'd need is an 85 megawatt nuclear reactor capable of firing billions of neutrons on command. That's how a team of physicists working in Tennessee's Oak Ridge Laboratory are trying to open the gates of a mirror universe.
No.
Of course, they have to find it first. It all comes from a theory that says, if you beam neutrons at a wall, none should pass through. If some do manage to make it to the other side, It would mean that they've transformed into mirror images of themselves as they went through the wall between the two worlds. How do we even know all that?
Yeah, how?
Well, there's one odd thing about neutrons. In particle beams, on average, they last for 14 minutes and 48 seconds before they decay into protons.
Okay.
But if you place neutrons in a lab bottle, they'll break down 10 seconds faster. It's not something we can explain with physics yet. Neutrons are all the same, and there shouldn't be any 10-second difference in their lifespan, regardless of where they're stored. Could it be possible that the neutron experiments didn't go as expected because physicists accidentally opened a portal to a mirror world?
What the fuck is this? Netflix. What is this?
That would be the first evidence that a mirror universe exists right next to our own. A mirror world with mirror atoms. Maybe even a mirror Earth. An entire mirror world, almost totally cut off from ours. Could you meet another version of yourself in that mirror world? Now, it gets a little complicated. Even though particle configurations can repeat themselves, the odds of finding a portal to a parallel universe that's exactly the same as ours are close to zero. Think about it. There are a novum vigintillion particles in the universe.
What the fuck did you just say? Novum William
To zero. Think about it. There are a novum vigintillion particles in the universe.
Novum Vigintillion? What the fuck even is that?
That's the number 1 followed by 90 zeros.
What the fuck?
Every single one of them would need to have had the same interactions for 13.7 billion years to create an identical universe to what we have now.
Oh, that's a sick...
The mirror universe would most likely have its own mirror laws of physics, but it's hard to know for sure because nobody has detected a single mirror particle yet. Maybe
Not yet.
we shouldn't be searching for answers in a lab. Perhaps we should be looking in space itself. Our universe is full of dark
White holes and shit.
matter. We can't observe it directly, and we have no idea what it's made of or how it works, but we know that dark matter is strong enough to stop galaxies from flying apart. Yet, we can't find it. Perhaps the reason is that dark matter is leaking from a mirror world into ours. If we could detect that, it would confirm that a mirror universe exists. Because we know that there's 5 times more dark matter than there is visible matter in the universe, you've got to think that
Wait.
a mirror universe
Wait, what the fuck? How do we know this? That there's 5 times more dark matter than observable matter? Just a few years ago, dark matter was still just an theory or some shit. Is dark matter proven? When was this? September 8, 2019. Is dark matter actually a same thing now? Okay.
than there is visible matter in the universe, you've got to think that a mirror universe is much more massive than the one we live in. Even if we did manage to open up a gate into another world, the portal would be incredibly small. Too small for you to see anything without some very powerful lab equipment. We'd still be dealing with neutrons and protons, remember? You could only enter that realm if you had the ability to shrink yourself to the size of an atom.
Okay.
But
Ant-Man?
that's a story for another What If.
What the? What if? That was what if we could happen. Oh, we could open a portal to a parallel universe. I don't know, man. I mean, science is made for this. I mean, science is just like the study of everything, I guess. And trying to answer multiple questions, different questions, and for every question that we answer, a couple more pop up, and then the cycle goes on. But it's fun. This is fun. This is fairly entertaining, and yeah, very nice. Quite an interesting video, but not really answering the what if we could open up portals to a parallel universe question. But yeah, if you have if you think that there are parallel universes, put it down there in the comment section, or what are your thoughts on the subject matter of this one. This is a kind of a chill conversation that we're going to have, so go ham and your conspiracy, your theories, or whatever the fuck you believe in. Just go ham in the comment section, guys. If you have any comments, put it down there in the comment section. If you like this video, please like the video. Share this to your family and friends, and yeah, I'm guessing that will be it for this video. I guess if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. That will be it for this video, I guess. Till next time, folks. Bye bye.